Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data and reducing clutter. Back up to iCloud or Finder so you can undo mistakes. Once done, remove unused apps by long pressing and choosing Remove App or Delete App to free space. Make sure to disable unnecessary home screen page animations in Settings Home Screen options to speed things up. And then decide which apps are essential for your main pages so you can reorganize with purpose rather than chaos. You now rebuild structure for efficiency. Drag apps into folders to group by task, name folders short and consistent so you can scan quickly. Use App Library to remove entire pages without deleting apps, which keeps the main screens clean. Add widgets for at-a-glance info by long pressing the screen, tapping plus, and choosing sizes that match your layout. Once widgets and folders are in place, test swipe flows to ensure your most used apps are finish by refining and verifying behavior. Put your top 4 apps in the dock for one-tap access, and tidy remaining items across 1 or 2 screens for minimal swiping. If something looks off or icons are missing, reset the home screen layout in Settings General Transfer, or Reset home screen layout to restore defaults without deleting data. If issues persist, restart the phone and check for iOS updates. Updating often fixes lingering visual or layout bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.